Well, what's up guys? Thanks for joining me again for yet another quarterly market update. These updates are so fascinating to me because our market and the way homes sell is still unlike anything that we've ever seen. So how different is quarter three from the previous quarter, and what do I think is gonna happen as we move forward? Stick around and let's find out. Welcome back to my channel. My name's Matt Light and I'm a local realtor here in Sarasota. I make videos featuring new construction communities, about Sarasota, and pretty much anything I can think of relating to Sarasota real estate. So, would you consider liking this video today and subscribing to my channel? Now let me show you a quick look at what my PDF market update looks like. I break Sarasota down into 8 different areas, which you can also find broken down on my website. You can download this for free in the link below. And side note, I'm also working on creating videos of each of these areas, breaking down the real estate options, the shopping, the dining, and more. You can see the ones that I've already done in a playlist, also linked below as well. So let's start today by talking about old-fashioned middle school economics, supply and demand, right? Overall, Sarasota has still seen low inventory. It's down 65% from the third quarter of last year. However, that low inventory is finally catching up. For the first time in a long time, we've seen less closed sales than we have in the previous year. The number of closed sales is down 17%. Now, to me, this is not really all that concerning because we've had such low inventory for over a year that there just aren't that many houses to actually sell. The average days to a contract for a property right now is right around 5 days, which is absolutely crazy when you think about it. Median pricing, that's up 25% with a median price for both condos and single-family homes being $398,000. Now, median pricing for single-family homes alone is $446,000, and median price for condos right now is right at $315,000. So let's dive into that a little bit more. Let's break that down and let's talk about pricing trends for a little bit and see what's happened since the beginning of the pandemic of the first quarter of 2020. Single-family pricing. Quarter one of 2020 was $325,000. That's right, kind of the best kept secret in the United States for all that Sarasota has to offer. Quarter two of 2020 was $334,000, so that was up $10,000. So that was right after COVID had hit in the news and we had some lockdowns. In April, we were locked down in Florida, so pricing kind of got up $10,000. Quarter three, it jumped up $20,000. The median price was $356,000. And then quarter four was $393,000, up $40,000. That's kind of right when a lot of people started flocking to the state of Florida. Then jumping into this year of 2021, quarter one went up to $406,000, a $13,000 price jump. Quarter two was $441,000, up $35,000, and quarter three is right at $446,000, which is where we stand today. That's up $5,000 from our previous quarter. Now, let's take a look into the condo market. Quarter one of 2020 was $255,000 for the median price of a condo here in Sarasota, Florida. Quarter two, pandemic hit. It dropped to $241,000. I think this was due to kind of our market is pretty seasonal with condos. Snowbirds weren't here because of the pandemic and it hitting, so there was a lot of vacancies in those short-term rentals. Quarter three started to rebound. It jumped up to $247,000. And quarter four, we're off to the races again. It went up to $272,000. Now, jumping into this year of 2021, quarter one continued to climb to $290,000. Quarter two was $315,000, and quarter four was also $315,000. So it kind of looks like we've started to see things level off a little bit. So again, like I've said in previous videos, our pricing is very similar to the growth that the Dow Jones has had. The Dow is up 26% from this time last year, and our pricing is up 25%. We are still in a very, very strong seller's market with the month supply of inventory being 0.35, meaning if no new listings hit the market, it would take about 10 to 11 days for all the current active listings to sell. So what does this mean moving into the fourth quarter of 2021, and what's the outlook for next year? Well, last year, moving from quarter three to quarter four, we saw a 10% jump in pricing. Now, I don't think that that's gonna be the case this year. I think it's obviously gonna continue to go up into the fourth quarter, but not nearly as much as 10%. I also don't see a market correction coming anytime soon. And here's what I've observed since COVID hit us. 2020 was the year of people fleeing lockdown states and causing low housing inventory, ultimately seeing prices go up. 2021, this year, was the year of supply chain shortages and builders not being able to get lumber or windows, so caused pricing to spike again. 2022, I think this is gonna be the year that inflation begins to hit us, and I think we're at least gonna see another 10 to 15% of a price jump from where we are today. I personally know restaurant owners around the area that have already increased their menus due to inflation that they're feeling, and I think they're probably gonna do it again in the first quarter of 2022. But whatever field that you're in, I want to encourage you to finish this year strong and keep pushing forward in 2022. And if I can help you in any of your real estate needs here in Sarasota, as always, give me a call, text, or an email. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.